What you doing? I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Are you gonna chase me? Huh? You gonna chase me? Come here. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. You're a beautiful boy. Yes, you are beautiful. And where's that Riley? Here comes Smiley Riley. Hi, Riley. Riley. Riley the Smiley. You're a very good boy. Kiss you. You're very good boys. Yes, you are. Shouldn't be up here, but here you are. Ah. Okay, what are we doing? What are we doing, you crazies? What are we doing, huh? What are we doing? Ah. You're very playful. Say, this is my territory. Yes, my territory. Yes. Okay. What are we going to do, huh? What are we going to do, Tuck? You better go get a treat. Better go get that treat. I think that's time to get a treat. Yes, indeedy. I'm going to get you. Okay, what's happening back there? Pam's back there. Pam's back there. This is a tough day. Too much rain out there, huh? Too much rain, wet ground. Don't want wet paws. So we're just in the house having fun. And this is Tucker trying to decide where he's going next.